Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're going to remove a device from Find My iPhone now. First, make sure you know the Apple ID and password tied to the device and that you can access settings on the iPhone or iCloud. Com from a computer. Once done, open Settings, tap your name, then Find My. Tap Find My iPhone and toggle it off. You'll be prompted for the Apple ID password. Do this because it disables activation lock and lets you reassign or sell the device safely. If you don't have the device in hand, sign into iCloud. Com and open Find iPhone. Once there, choose All Devices and select the device you want to remove. If the device is online and you want to wipe it first, use Erase iPhone. This prevents access to your data. After it shows as erased or offline, choose Remove from Account. This severs the device from your Apple ID. Do this to prevent future activation lock issues and to allow a new owner to activate it. Finish by checking your Apple ID device list in Settings or on iCloud. Com to confirm the device is gone. Make sure the device restarts and allows activation without your credentials. If you still see activation lock, try signing out of iCloud on the device or perform an erase then removal sequence again. If you're blocked because you forgot the password, reset the Apple ID password or contact Apple support with purchase proof. Key troubleshooting tip: keep your proof of purchase ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.